It's just interesting to know how your brain distinguishes internally generated content from stuff that is out there in the world.
But scientists have long struggled to understand the puzzling neuroscience behind our ability to distinguish between perception and imagination, since both use many of the same parts of the brain. In 1910, psychologist Mary Perkey was trying to develop a scientific definition of imagination, so she devised an experiment that produced a surprising result. Test subjects were asked to stare at a blank wall and imagine a certain fruit. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, Perkey projected a very faint image of the fruit on the wall. When asked if they saw anything real, the participants were sure they hadn't, although they commented on how vivid the image they were imagining seemed. Parkey concluded that when our perception of something matches what we're imagining, we will assume we've imagined it. This would eventually come to be known as the Parkey effect.
Since then, there's been a handful of studies that tried to replicate it, but results were very mixed.